So today we're going to be making one of the 4 free recipes from 50 Salads. This is the last of Rawmunchies book series. This salad is called Overjoyed Olives and Corn. We're going to start by cutting our fresh vegetables and then we are going to mix them together. And there we have it, our beautiful fresh salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. If you want to know more about the diet, I do Q&A videos as well, and if there's any topic you would like me to cover, please let me know. There are lots of free raw vegan recipes on www.rawmunchies.org, and there are also cookbooks. Right, I'm gonna go eat my salad, and I will see you in our next salad video.